Hey everybody, let's talk about what makes Google AdSense system so special. This is 𝗪𝘆𝘀 for My Learning Center, and let's dive in. As long as a website has signed up for Google AdSense, Google will have full control over the advertisements that appear on those sites. Of course, the owner of the website has the ability to alter an advertisement's appearance and restrict or filter out certain types of advertisements from appearing on their page. As a result of their connection to the topic covered on the website, Google's advertisements are known as sensual adverts. This feature is lacking in other advertising systems and programs. It has positive effects for everyone. When someone visits a website with Google AdSense advertisements, it's usually because they have an interest in the good, service, or subject that the page is discussing. It would not help them much if you showed them advertising that had nothing to do with the problem in any way. Visitors would benefit from ads that were relevant to the website's theme. On the other hand, they could be interested in anything that Google AdSense ads promote. Visitors to websites benefit more as a result of the AdSense program. The owner of the website earns money when visitors click on the Google AdSense advertisements that are placed on the page. Because of this, they are also happy. An easy-to-use, affordable solution benefits businesses and advertisers, the AdSense system. Furthermore, Google AdSense ads are presented in a far more appealing way than banner ads or other types of advertising. The vast bulk of the adverts are simple text-based ads. Owners of websites and advertising will find it easy. Google AdSense is currently one of the most successful advertising solutions. Thanks for listening, folks. Join our Facebook group, My Learning Center. Subscribe to our channel, My Learning Center, on YouTube. Visit our website for quality ebooks, audio courses, HD video courses, and many more.